Click on the link below to get price. The Rockford Fosgate HD9813SG-STG2 Stage 2 fairing speakers and 800-watt amplifier kit is an impressive audio upgrade for Harley-Davidson motorcycles, designed to elevate your riding experience with exceptional sound quality. Right out of the box, the build quality is evident. The kit includes two high-performance 6.5-inch full-range speakers and a powerful 800-watt amplifier, delivering rich, clear audio even at high speeds. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included hardware and detailed instructions. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a novice, you will appreciate how easily the components fit into the fairing of your bike. The weather-resistant design ensures that these speakers can withstand the elements, which is crucial for outdoor riding. Once installed, the performance of the HD9813SG-STG2 truly shines. The speakers provide a wide frequency response, allowing you to appreciate the nuances of your favorite tunes. Bass is robust without being overwhelming, which is particularly impressive given the compact size of the speakers. The clarity of vocals and instruments is remarkable, making even the loudest rides enjoyable. The amplifier is a game-changer, providing the necessary power to prevent distortion at high volumes. This enhancement allows riders to enjoy their music without straining to hear it over the wind and engine noise. The adjustable gain settings make it easy to tailor the sound to your preferences, ensuring that you can find the perfect balance for your listening pleasure. In summary, the Rockford Fosgate HD9813SG-STG2 Stage 2 fairing speakers and 800-watt amplifier kit is a worthy investment for motorcycle enthusiasts seeking top-notch audio performance. With its combination of durability, sound quality, and ease of installation, this kit transforms any ride into a concert on wheels. If you crave a premium audio experience while cruising, look no further, this kit delivers beyond expectations.